What's up, Chemical Guys fam, and welcome to your full step-by-step guide on every single one of our car wash soaps, and teaching you guys when to use the soap, why to use it, how to use it, and help you decide which one's gonna be the best one for your ride. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, guys, so before we get started, a couple things that I want to clear up. Now, these soaps right here, they're not in any specific order. We're just going to be going from left to right. Another thing I do want to mention is we will be leaving chapters down below so that if you have a soap that you specifically want to hear about and know about, you can go ahead and follow it there. But for the most part, I'm going to be doing an in-depth guide, so basically teaching you everything about the soap, tech specs, all that stuff. We're gonna be breaking down and going in depth with every one of our soaps. So if you guys don't wanna hear me talking so much, you can go ahead and feel free to skip to the correct area that you need to be at and be on your way. But if you do wanna listen to me rant off about our car wash soaps, then you're at the right place. So let's get started with the first class of soaps, which are gonna be our snow foams. Now right here we have our honeydew snow foam. Now this is a great maintenance soap. So if your car's well protected, it's well kept care of, maybe you just waxed your car last week, maybe you just applied a sealant a month ago, this is going to be a great maintenance soap because it's pH neutral, which means that it's non-acidic, which is not going to break down any kind of protective coatings on your vehicle like ceramic coatings, sealants, glazes, or waxes. And it provides a super high sudsing formula that's going to sud up a lot. It's going to provide tons of copious suds, which is going to help you in the long run help prevent scratches and swirls during the car wash process. So we have that in our honeydew snow foam, and we also have it available in a watermelon scent. And last but not least, this was a limited edition product, which is our blueberry snow foam, but you guys loved it so much that we kept it part of our lineup forever. So we have 3 incredible scents to choose from. And another thing I did forget to mention is that they're perfect with foam cannons. And as you guys know, when you're spraying suds all over your ride, you get that nice little aroma hitting your face as you're foaming your car. So it's a great car wash experience, and you're not having to smell some nasty or something very strong of a soap hitting you. So you have a great wash experience for not only you, but your customers as well if they're around smelling it too. The next soap on the list is citrus washing gloss. Now, citrus washing gloss is great for tackling heavier dirt and grime on your vehicle. So if you're working on a vehicle which is much dirtier than you would call it more for a maintenance wash, then that's when citrus washing gloss comes into place. Same thing. Put it in a foam cannon, foam gun, or even a traditional bucket wash method. And this is gonna work out great because it has a citrus base, which is gonna help dissolve dirt and grime from the surface of your vehicle, making it much easier for you to just safely wash it away. And it also has a synthetic high gloss formula that has gloss enhancers and magnifiers, which deliver a freshly waxed look as well. So that's a great soap to go with if you have a dirty vehicle. And then obviously, if you have heavy buildup of mud and grime and sand on your vehicle, that's when we have our Tough Mudder truck wash. It's gonna work out perfectly for all you guys out there who love going muddy, whether it be a truck, an ATV, a UTV, a dirt bike, or maybe you love off-roading in your Honda. I don't know what people are doing nowadays, but if it's muddy, Tough Mudder truck wash is the perfect soap for you. And if you do plan on going for that extra level of deep clean, whether you're using our citrus washing gloss or our Tough Mudder truck wash, you can go ahead and pair it with our Pile Driver, which is a short ply microfiber strand wash mitt, which is gonna help you achieve that much deeper level of clean. Moving on, we have a specialty soap, which is our Bug and Tar Remover Wash. Now, Bug and Tar Remover Wash is great for removing that buildup of bugs on your front end, whether it be on your paint, like on your bumper, your grill, maybe it's on your glass, like your windshield, or maybe even the side view mirrors. I know those are usually the areas that get accumulated with all those bugs after a long road trip. This is a specialty soap that's gonna go ahead and easily take care of that for you. And the great thing about it is you can actually use it as an additive to a soap, or you can use it as is. If you wanna go ahead and dilute it in a separate spray bottle, you can dilute it to a 6:1 ratio, spray it on, and then agitate it with a wash mitt. Or if you wanna go ahead and mix it with your favorite car wash soap, such as if you're foaming your vehicle already, add your favorite Chemical Guys soap, and then you can add about an ounce of the Bug and Tar Remover Wash to that solution for an extra deep level of clean. That way it easily dissolves all the bug guts left behind. Next on the list, we have our Sticky Snowball Ultra Snow Foam, which is this little fine fella right here. Now, our Sticky Snowball Ultra Snow Foam. I cannot say it any better than Henry. It sticks like a booger. You foam your vehicle, that foam just clings onto the surface of your vehicle for added cleaning power. So basically what I mean by that is when you foam your vehicle, those suds are gonna stick to your vehicle. And while those suds are stuck to your vehicle, it's gonna give it time to start breaking down all the heavy dirt and grime buildup on your vehicle. So if you wanna do more of a maintenance wash, but you also wanna have an insane amount of suds and a high chance of preventing scratches and swirls from your paint during your car wash process, then Sticky Snowball Ultra Snow Foam is going to be that perfect soap for you. And that soap you can pair with virtually any of our wash mitts. Now we do have a nice little selection here of our wash mitts, whether it be our chenille microfiber wash mitt, our Power Driver, our Ultra Big Noodle, or maybe our Furry 5 Finger. Next on the list, we actually have one of our newest, not our newest product, the newest product in the Chemical Guys soap lineup, which is our Sudpreme Wash and Wax. And then next to it, we have our Extreme Body Wash and Wax. Now, what is the difference? I'm gonna explain to you guys that right now because I know a lot of you guys have questions on, which one's better, which one should I go with, is there a difference? And to answer your question, yes, yes, and yes. Starting off with Sudpreme Wash and Wax. Now, Sudpreme Wash and Wax is a car wash soap that is combined with natural carnauba wax. So what that means for you is not only do you wash your vehicle, but you also apply a nice little layer of natural carnauba wax to your vehicle, which brings out that nice deep warm glow that you guys expect from a traditional carnauba wax. So I don't know if you guys know, but like whenever you apply a wax to your vehicle, like butter wet wax, that nice little shine that you get afterwards, that nice little glisten, that's what you can expect from just washing your vehicle with something like Sudpreme Wash and Wax. So that's gonna work out great, especially if you have a wax on your vehicle already, or maybe if you don't have a wax on it. If you don't have any protection on your vehicle at all, that's when you would want to use a product like this. Maybe you're a professional detailer, your client is not willing to pay for a full actual car wash service and a wax service. Maybe you want to just go ahead and do something great that's going to work out great in your pocket and in theirs, and this is going to be the perfect solution to give them that nice fresh wash while also delivering that nice glow of a carnauba wax. And then if you want to step it up, that's when you got our Extreme Body Wash and Wax. So this is where the whole difference comes about. Now, Extreme Body Wash and Wax contains natural carnauba wax, but it also contains a synthetic polymer wax as well. So what that means for your vehicle or maybe your customer's vehicle is that Extreme Body Wash and Wax not only provides a deep foam bath wash, but it also contains that synthetic wax, which is kind of like a sealant in a sense. So it's gonna help add more durable protection to your vehicle against the elements. So if you live in an area where your vehicle is constantly getting beat down by the harsh UV rays, maybe there's a lot of pollution in the air that lands onto your vehicle, this is gonna be a great alternative soap to go with in order to give your car that nice deep wash while also getting that nice rich carnauba glow, while also getting that nice durable protection of a synthetic wax. All right, moving on, we have some more, I like to call these specialty soaps. So they kind of serve a different purpose on different finishes, different vehicles. Maybe you're going for something different entirely. Now, our rinse-free Hoseless wash. That right there actually can be used as an alternative method of washing your vehicle without any kind of running water. I know you guys are looking at me right now like, what does that even mean? So basically, a Hoseless wash, this product is extremely easy to use. All you need is 2 buckets filled with water, 2 dirt traps, and a wash mitt, and a drying towel. The way you use this product is you actually apply about 1 to 2 ounces into one of your buckets with your dirt traps, and then you want to grab your wash mitt, dunk it into the solution of the water and the rinse-free solution that's in there, and then pull out your wash mitt, wring it out, and then you can go ahead and start wiping down your vehicle, starting from the top, working your way down. And what this does is it emulsifies the dirt, grime, and contaminants from the surface of your vehicle without you having to rinse it off. So basically, the science behind this is after you do an area, like let's just say we do a fender, after you finish wiping down the fender, go ahead and grab your drying towel, dry the fender, and you're done. It's that easy. You don't need any kind of running water. You don't need a pressure washer. You don't need a foam cannon. You don't need any of those fancy gadgets. This is going to work out perfectly if you do not have access to running water. Maybe you live in an apartment, a condo where they don't allow that, or you have restrictions where you live, or maybe it's a cold winter day and you live in the north and you want to go ahead and clean your vehicle from the comfort of your own garage. That's going to be the perfect solution for you. Moving on, we have our Clean Slate Surface Cleansing Wash. Now, Clean Slate, it's on the name. It lets you start fresh. So what I mean by that is it strips away all the old waxes, the sealants, the glazes, and it's gonna go ahead and give you a nice fresh start to your vehicle. And what I mean by that is you're not gonna have any kind of oils or any kind of protectants on your vehicle. So if you're planning on doing a paint correction to your vehicle, maybe you wanna polish away scratches and swirls, this would be the first step that you wanna take in order to achieve the results that you're looking for. So whenever it comes to polishing, you never wanna have anything like a ceramic coating, a glaze, a sealant, or wax on your vehicle because it's gonna mess with your head and with your results in the sense that it's gonna basically make your car look a lot better, but then when you actually use this on your vehicle, you're gonna see your paint for what it actually is. So think of this as like a, I don't know, like a makeup cleansing wipe. It just cleans away all the stuff that's on your face and it just kind of exposes your bare face without any kind of oils or minerals on there, and it just kind of gives it to you as it is. And that's what this product is actually specialized for. So when you're starting fresh, if you wanna apply the longest lasting shine of sealant, ceramic coating, a glaze, or a wax, this would be the perfect option to do so. Now, when will you not use this would be after applying the ceramic coating, a wax, a sealant, or a glaze to your vehicle. So say you wash your car today, you use this product, you clay bar your paint, you wax it, or maybe you do the whole shebang, you do everything, ceramic coating, glaze, sealant, wax, and then next week, when you wanna maintain your car and you wanna give it that wash, don't use that, because that's gonna go ahead and strip away everything that you applied to your vehicle the prior week. So in order to maintain the beautiful lustrous shine and the layer protection on your vehicle, you can go ahead and use more of a pH balanced soap or more of a specialty soap. We actually do have a couple right here, which I'm gonna mention right now. But make sure that you're using something that's pH neutral or something that contains a protectant like our Sudpreme wash and wax or Extreme Body wash and wax to just maintain that coat of shine. All right, so we're gonna move on now to another specialty soap, which is our HydroSuds ceramic car wash soap. If you have a ceramic coating, or if you do not have a ceramic coating to your vehicle, but you love the ceramic coating shine, and you love the hydrophobicity of a ceramic coating, and you're looking to wash your vehicle all at the same time, HydroSuds is the answer for you. Now, if you do have a ceramic coating, this is gonna work out great because it actually contains nano ceramic SiL2 nanotechnology, which is gonna help boost the shine and the protection of any kind of existing ceramic coating on your vehicle. And if you don't have a ceramic coating, or even nothing at all for the matter, like even a wax, sealant, or glaze, this is still gonna provide durable ceramic SiL2 shine and protection to your vehicle's exterior surfaces like your paint, your glass, your chrome, headlights, taillights, and anything in between. This soap pairs perfectly with a Torque Professional foam cannon, like our Torque Big Mouth Max Release foam cannon. You can use it with our Torque Foam Blaster 6 or Torque Foam Blaster R1, or even a traditional bucket wash method. And I just want to reiterate that just because a lot of these soaps you can use with our foam cannon, which is great. But I just wanted to bring that up again, just in case you guys had any questions about that at this point in time. The next soap that we're going to move on to would be our Meticulous Matte Auto Wash Soap. If you guys have a matte or satin wrap, that's going to be the soap that you want to go with, because this soap right here, it's extremely slick. However, it does not contain any kind of wax, sealant, or ceramic coating, nor gloss enhancers, which are going to add any kind of unwanted shine to your matte or satin wraps. And as you guys know, if you guys have a matte or satin wrap, you guys know that they're extremely sensitive, and you don't want to go with anything too aggressive nor not slick enough, because you want to make sure that you're not scratching up your matte finishes, because matte is very, very, very sensitive. And you really want to make sure that you're taking well care of your wrap and you're conscious about the chemicals that you're using on it. And our Meticulous Matte Auto Wash is going to be the perfect soap for you. That way you can safely wash your vehicle and just maintain that beautiful matte finish. Next on the list, we have some gloss enhancing soaps, and these right here, they kind of all vary. Now right here we have our Glossworkz soap, which contains a super blend of gloss enhancers and gloss magnifiers. You have our Hybrid VO7 Optical Select High Gloss Soap. And last but not least, this is also like a specialty soap, which is our Black Light Hybrid Radiant Finish, which is going to work out great for any kind of black or darker color vehicles. Now, the reason that we have these soaps right here is for the sake of bringing out a deep, warm shine. So with these products right here, they actually don't have any kind of sealant or wax within them, but they do contain a unique blend of gloss enhancers and gloss magnifying agents that provide a deep wet shine on different colored vehicles. So we have our Glossworkz Auto Wash, which is going to work out great for lighter colored vehicles. And then we also have our Hybrid VO7, which is a hybrid between a soap that's going to work out well for dark and light colored vehicles. And then if you do have a dark colored vehicle, then I would recommend going with their Black Light Wash. This is personally my favorite. I have an all black truck and I love it because it provides a durable high gloss shine. It provides intense depth, clarity, and a mirror reflection shine. All right, guys, and that's it for our step-by-step Chemical Guys car wash soap guide. If you guys have any further questions in terms of any of the soaps that we mentioned today or even the wash mitts themselves, go ahead and leave them in the comment section down below. I hope that I answered most of your guys' questions, but like I said, I may have forgotten a thing or two, so leave them in the comment section and we'll be more than happy to answer those for you. And if you guys want to see more product breakdowns like this, whether it be our wheel cleaners, or waxes, or sealants, or ceramic coatings, go ahead, comment down below what video you guys want to see, and we'll make sure to get those for you. As always, if you guys like this video, give us a huge like, subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you guys want to pick up any of these soaps right now, you can do so on our website, chemicalguys.com, or you can visit your local Detail Garage store. As always, my name is Joey. This is Chemical Guys Detail Garage. I'll see you guys next time.